I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volvo V40 battery. First, gather all necessary tools like a wrench set, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety gloves. Make sure you have a new battery that precisely matches your Volvo V40 specifications. Locate the battery compartment, which is typically found under the hood or sometimes in the trunk area. Proper preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is crucial to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Next, carefully disconnect the positive terminal using the appropriate wrench size. Finally, remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the old battery in its compartment. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery securely into the compartment, making sure it fits snugly. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, reversing the disconnection order. After connecting, ensure all terminals are tightened firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten them. Double-check that the battery hold-down is secure, preventing any movement. Now, start your Volvo V40 to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and all electrical systems are operational. If everything works, you're all set. Also, for a great read on personal finance and other deals, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.